Today we are going to search metroopinion.com. This is a platform that offers surveys to its users, and you can see they say we can earn $2.50 for each survey. Let's see the reality of this. Here are the process, and first we have to sign up, answer and get paid. You can see the payout methods here. So, let's sign up with the Metro Opinion. Click on this option Start here and enter your email. Make a strong password and click on the register button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Now we are going to sign in. Take a look at this dashboard. There is the same appearance as in the Survimo.com. We brought you a review about Survimo.com, and you can see that video in our channel. There are 3 options here as profile, surveys and rewards. Let's click on the surveys options. But there are no surveys at the moment. Let's go to the profile option. There is the same process as in Survimo.com, you can see. Here we have to answer all these questions to complete our profile. Previously we answered all these questions and checked for rewards. And checked email invitations to complete surveys. But we couldn't earn money on these websites Survimo.com or MetroOpinion.com. So this is our experience we would like to share with you. Subscribe our channel and let's find a way to make money online. See you in next video.